Cooking with Cody and the Thrive Project have partnered up with Halletts The Bakery, and we're going to give out 40 hot dogs every single Sunday at 3 o'clock outside the Thrive Project in Paynton on Winner Street for the next 4 weeks. Now, we're doing these for a number of reasons. Reason number one, for the homeless and the vulnerable, pop down, we'll sort you out. A little bit of warm food doesn't hurt anybody. Come down, we'll see you there. Reason number two, parents, this is your opportunity to have a little bit of an afternoon off cooking. Have a little walk with your kids, come down, grab a hot dog, grab a jacket potato with some cheese and beans, and you get a night off from cooking, a night off from washing up. Reason number three, some people aren't going out for their daily exercise, and it's really important to be doing that. So this is a little bit of a welfare check for you to just pop down, but just say hello, just see how you are, and just see if there's anything that we can do as a charity, as an organisation. We don't really want people to be hanging around or anything, so it's just going to be like, here's your food, are you okay, do you need any help? Here's a little bit of information for some support. But we are here for you. Ultimately, that's what we're here for, that's what we're doing. So as a charity, as an organisation, that's what we're doing. So big thanks to Halletts The Bakery for donating all the bread that we're going to be using. Thank you to Jane as well, who's donating the jacket potatoes with the cheese and beans. And thank you also to other people that have donated hot dogs and sauces as well. So big thanks from the community, and we will see you every Sunday for the next 4 weeks outside, kids are laughing, outside the Thrive Project. See you then.